1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start. It is stated that the petitioner had approached the Director of Education on 23/06/2005 to inquire about his transfer application, and it appears that he was informed that his transfer application is not available in their records. Full stop. It is further stated that the petitioner gave an application to the Joint Secretary, Education Department along with the photostat copy of the application submitted before the Director of Education. Full stop. It is further stated that on 24/06/2005, the petitioner filed a representation to the Secretary Higher Education, Government of UP, and also before the Director of Education, inter alia, stating that he had also made an application for the transfer to DAV Postgraduate College and, however, without considering his application, only the application filed by Dr. Madhu Tandon has been recommended to the Secretary Higher Education for transfer. Full stop. Para. It is also stated in the representation that only his name has been approved by the Management Committee of DAV Postgraduate College for the said post, but the Director of Education has failed to recommend his case for transfer. Full stop. It is also stated that in response to the query made by the Secretary, Education Department, the Director of Education, by his letter dated 11/07/2005, had informed the Secretary for Higher Education that the name of Dr. Madhu Tandon has already been recommended by the Directorate on 17/06/2005 for the transfer to the vacant post due to retirement of Dr. Ram Avatar Singh. Full stop. It is also clarified that the management of DAV Postgraduate College, Lucknow has given no objection certificate to both Dr. Madhu Tandon and Dr. Ram Deen Maurya, but the transfer application of Dr. Madhu Tandon was received earlier than Dr. Ram Deen Maurya and, therefore, the recommendation for transfer of Dr. Madhu Tandon has been sent to the state government. Full stop. Para. The Joint Secretary, Higher Education, after considering the no objection certificates issued, one in favor of Dr. Madhu Tandon and another in favor of Dr. Ram Deen Maurya for the transfer of the same post, which fell vacant on the retirement of Dr. Ram Avatar Singh on 30/06/2002, sought clarification from Manager, DAV Postgraduate College, full stop, Lucknow, wide letter dated 09/09/2005 to clarify whose application should be considered for the transfer to the vacant post, which has fallen vacant on the retirement of Dr. Ram Avatar Singh, full stop. In response to the clarification so sought, The manager of DAV Postgraduate College, Lucknow, has informed the Secretary, Education Department that the NOC given in favor of Dr. Ramdeen Maurya should be treated as valid NOC for the purpose of transfer, and the transfer order may be issued to Dr. Ramdeen Maurya to join the vacant post. Full stop. The Director of Education, by his letter dated 20/09/2005, sought clarification from the President of the Committee of Management of DAV Postgraduate College, as out of two no objection certificates issued by them to two applicants, which no objection certificate should be accepted by him, to make his recommendation to the state government for transfer of the applicants to their institution. Full stop.